meet my wife. Happy birthday.
Wow.
Hmm.
When was the last time you saw each other, sir?
3 weeks ago.
And how does it feel,
He
ma'am?
visited me in the house.
So how are you now, ma'am? Biyahe-biyahe kayo.
I'm okay. I'm so happy with the people. Yung reception nila, they were so warm. And then, yun lang, naputol lang yung radiation ko. I had already the permission of my doctor.
Ma'am, all these attacks against Mayor Duterte, are these new to you? And how are you doing?
Ever since he sacked as the mayor, andyan na yan. So, it's not
Ano?
mga attacks ni Bogaw.
It's happening now.
Should he occupying a place in Malacanang should you win as president? First Lady?
Inshallah. You know, when you start in the public, you're being presumptuous. Huwag ka muna.
Friends, ever since
Friends na, ma'am?
because we are also married sa church, not only sa civil, also at church. So, in my situation, I think I'm still married.
Who